Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen, and today I have this card game here. It's called Do or Drink. So we're gonna check this out and see how funny or interesting or exciting it is. It says do or drink, win or black out. So this is like a challenge. They challenge you with different questions and you either have to do the embarrassing or whatever thing, or you gotta drink. So let's see what kind of cards there are in this. Why is this not opening? Okay. So let's open this up, and here, I guess this is the rule book, which pretty much you do the task or you drink. And let's see what we got here. We got cards. So there's different color cards. So I don't know what the difference is between the white and the black cards. Well, I don't know what the difference is, but I'm sure you'll figure it out. So separate the cards into two piles and shuffle. The first player must draw a white card, read it aloud, and do what it says. If a draw card is picked, the player must pick up a black card. If not, the player's turn ends, and the next player picks up a white card, repeating the process. So you have the black cards here, and then the white cards here. So let's just check out a few of these cards at random and see what we got here. So you guys can see them here. So let's just pick out a couple of these and see what they say. It says, so I guess this is the white card. It says, make a rule that everyone must follow until another rule card is drawn. Every time someone breaks the rule, they must drink. So I could just say, okay, everybody has to keep their finger on their nose, and then everyone will drink then. So that would be a cool one. And then let's see what other stuff here. And then there's like, oh, these are the black draw cards. So I see, oh, okay. And then you have the different things. So that's what it is. So like this one here says, drink if you're in a relationship. So if you pick this card, if I had a relationship, I don't. So I wouldn't have to drink. So I would just put it back. And then drink if you're the youngest player, drink if you're the shortest player. So these are the different ones here. Vote on the count of three. Everyone points to the player whose standards drop the most after a few drinks. The player with the most votes must drink. And so just kind of random stuff like that. So that's what these questions here are for that one. And then the black cards are the, I guess like the dare kind of cards. So let's just see what some of those are. So it says, get naked. Wow. Get naked, go outside and streak down the street. Do this, take 2 shots or quit playing. So if I didn't want to streak naked down the block, I would have to take 2 shots. I would streak naked because, hey, what do I care? Shave an eyebrow. Do this, take 2 shots, or quit playing. I think I would probably take 2 shots before I go and shave my eyebrow. Let's see. Let the group pinch your nipples. Do this, or take 2 shots, or quit playing. So a lot of these ones are for 2 shots. This is crazy. But I would say go ahead, pinch my nipples. I don't know. I'm a dude, what do I care? Let someone in the group use your Amazon account to buy a special toy that is $20 or less. Do this or take 2 shots. Sure, someone could use my account and buy something. So that's the concept of this do or drink. So there's the white cards, I guess, that have these different things that say draw a black. So if you get to one of the draw ones, you have the draw cards. And then you can do swap the cards, keep this card and use it anytime to transfer your drinks to another player. So there's like all sorts of different things. So there's actually a game associated with this. So it'll be interesting to play and see how it is. So probably the first thing I need to do to play this game would be to get some friends. So if you want to be my friend, like and comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to buy one of these games, go ahead and I'm going to put a link to it in the description so you can buy this game yourself and you can be as awkward, have an awkward party as I will have at some point. And that's it for this do or drink. Oh, I was trying to put the cards back in the box and I just totally fell over. So let's see, I put these in, then put these cards in, and then I'll put the instructions on there, and there it is. So this is called do or drink. So get it if you want. If you're into drinking games, this could be a pretty fun one. Here, I'm gonna show you the back of the box here. You can read some of those if you probably pause it and zoom in, but have fun, exciting, and thanks for watching, everyone.